Alright, YouTube. Today, I'm gonna be opening this. Normally in my vlogs I use this voice, but this is my real Scottish accent, you know.
Yeah, I'm a really bad cameraman.
I know, love, I know.
Thanks.
I don't think this is the way you open it. Shit. Oh, science and stuff. Fuck that.
Shouldn't you tell them what it is? You know, I mean.
It's a keyboard.
Wow, what a descriptive.
A gaming keyboard with 12 macro keys. That's right, 12. And I'm trying not to lip it in case. Yeah. Son of a.
Can you turn it off now?
No.
I know.
Right,
You can only unbox it once.
YouTube, I've unboxed it kinda. Now this is the delicate part. Limb jobs and stuff.
Sure, Johnny. I don't know.
This is the keyboard.
Sure. I think that's the CD and how to work it. Like A is A and B is B.
I don't know what this is, it's probably like my pick or something. This is the fancy wire you use to connect it to your external hard drive.
Why do you connect a keyboard to your external hard drive?
Because you're fake.
Yes. Shouldn't you unplug the old one? Oh no wait, this is just an unboxing.
Alright, turn the camera off now. I don't need to talk like that.
How do you do that?
Press the, the record button.
Where's that?
It's like a little green red dot.